What's up, Daniel Boone? Coach Millard here. I've been loving all the videos and posts you guys have been sharing with me. Seeing you guys doing the PE activities. It's awesome to see you guys being active, and it's awesome to see you guys involving your family. I hope you guys are getting a lot out of it, and I hope you're enjoying those weekly assignments that I've been giving you all. So, first week we did an obstacle course. Awesome job. Second week, we did the scavenger hunt. Enjoy seeing that. And you guys have been doing great with it. And I hope you guys keep it up. This week, we are going to be doing a fitness game. And I'm going to get you to our little, my dock right here so you guys can see. I should be over in your right corner. Just move myself over there. Anyway, it's a fitness game. So I want to challenge you guys this week in creating a new game. Now, this can be a PE game that you guys would like to share with me, and maybe we could try out sometime. Or it could be like a board game, a new game that you've created. So what I want you to do is that this game has to include exercise and activity some way, somehow. So if you're doing a PE game, those are kind of already put in exercise activities, so you don't need to add like exercises to it because you should be doing something physical when you're doing a PE game anyway. If you are wanting to do a board game, something to do at family at home. Now I know it's supposed to be a little bit colder this week, so a board game might be where you go with it. It needs to be adding some exercises or physical activity. Okay, so you need to be creative with it. There's really no rules or anything like that. You just need to make a new game. And if you do make a new game, please, please, please share with me by either Daniel Boone PE Facebook page or by my email. And either show me the rules of the game and how it is played, or you actually playing the game with your family. Or both. Either one works for me. If you're also one of those people, might not have the time this week, you might not be able to get the ideas of what you want to do down, you can also take an existing game and make it into something physical, such as if you're playing the game Sorry and you get bumped in Sorry, then that means you could maybe do 20 jumping jacks. Or if you're doing the game Monopoly, and someone lands on your property, maybe that equals to 10 push-ups. So you can take a game that's already being used and then make it into a make it physically active in that game. So that is your challenge. So there's three things you can do. You can either create a new PE game, or you can make a new board game, or take an existing game and add physical activity into it. So be creative with it. Play it, whatever. Just make sure that if you do it, share it with me some way, and at least give me how you played it, or a video, or both. This week I have did the virtual hike again, so I hope you guys enjoy that, especially if you can't get outside. These virtual hikes are a good way that you guys can be moving active. I did see a couple students took their bikes and they put like their training wheels inside shoes, and then they rode their bike while watching a virtual tour. I did last week. I have like a bike rider type of thing in my house, and I was able to ride my bike while going through the virtual hike. But I also at some time I got off and I just kind of ran or marched in place or walked in place while watching a tour. So it's a great way that you can kind of see what's out there. So this week is Tamalech Falls. I'm not really sure if I said that right, but it is a very beautiful, beautiful hike. You will see in this hike, you'll see a nice crystal blue like river and a pond. And if you make it to the end, you will see the beautiful waterfalls. They're very pretty. It's like almost like an aqua blue, clear blue type of water, and it's a very, very pretty hike. But to get to that, you need to get to the very, very end. Maybe break it up a few times throughout the week. Maybe do a few minutes here, a few minutes there, and finally finish it up. There's also a setting on it. It says at the beginning if you want to fast forward or make the hike go a little bit faster, there's a setting down there. You just got to be paying attention onto that video to make sure that you are able to speed it up a bit. So appreciate you all doing your work. I miss you all. Every week I put a quote out. This week is difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. I think this speaks true, especially what we're all going through right now. But just knowing, hopefully, at the end of this, we're going to come out with better appreciation for one another, great appreciation for family. We're going to kind of lifestyle is hopefully going to be better and more grateful for what we have. So hopefully after this difficult road, we come back better than ever. And I think we're going to be a lot grateful and things are going to change, that we're going to be more appreciative of what we have and the things that we have in our life. So that is your assignment for this week. Assignment for the week. I miss you guys all extremely much. I hope to see you guys in the near future. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Be active. Make sure you make today great. You be great. There's never a bad day to make a day great. So I miss you. I care for you all. Peace.